Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this detailed tutorial on replacing the panel, blade, and gasket of your Thermomix TM31. Let's start with the tools you will need for this process. 1. A Phillips screwdriver. 2. A flathead screwdriver. 3. A pair of pliers. 4. A cleaning cloth. 5. Replacement parts, panel, blade, and gasket. Make sure you have everything ready before we begin. First, unplug your Thermomix TM31 to ensure your safety while working on it. Once it's unplugged, flip it upside down to access the screws on the bottom. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws that secure the base cover. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the cover is off, you'll see the internal components. It's a good idea to clean any dust or residue inside with a cleaning cloth at this point. Next, we will focus on replacing the blade. Carefully detach the old blade by turning it counterclockwise. If it's stuck, you can use the flathead screwdriver to gently pry it loose. Remember, if you're having trouble, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so don't hesitate to reach out. Once the old blade is removed, take your new blade and insert it into the base, rotating it clockwise until it's securely in place. Make sure it's tight to prevent any leaks during use. Now, let's move on to the gasket replacement. The gasket is crucial for preventing leaks, so it's essential to replace it correctly. Gently remove the old gasket from the bowl. If it's stuck, you can use the pliers to pull it off. After removing it, clean the area thoroughly where the gasket sits. Take your new gasket and align it properly before pressing it into place. Ensure it fits snugly all around the bowl's rim. This is a critical step for maintaining the integrity of your Thermomix TM31. With the blade and gasket replaced, it's time to reinstall the panel. If you've noticed any damage to the panel itself, now is the time to replace it as well. Simply remove the old panel using the same Phillips screwdriver and replace it with the new one, securing it with the screws you saved earlier. Before you put everything back together, double-check all connections and make sure everything is tight and secure. If you're unsure or don't have the right tools, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get repairs done without any hassle. Once everything is reassembled, flip your Thermomix back to its upright position. Plug it in and power it on to test if everything is working correctly. Listen for any unusual sounds that might indicate an improper installation. If you encounter any issues, remember you can get a quote before repair with our services, eliminating any surprises. Congratulations on successfully replacing the panel, blade, and gasket of your Thermomix TM31. Regular maintenance like this can extend the life of your appliance and ensure it runs efficiently. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.